Good morning. Looking here at the dollar chart this morning as I'm overplaying Kanye's graduation. We were listening to it all weekend. I've had it for about a month, but what a good album. Gotta give a shout out to where the skills are, and Kanye has them anyways. Really like the song he does with Chris Martin called "Homecoming," and there's a couple others on there that are just great songs like "Champion" and "Stronger." Good tunes. Anyways, the dollar is trading up here at 78.15, and you can see in the chart that I've drawn here, going back to early September, that the downtrend may be over for a while. It looks like it may be trying to break out here. I'd like to maybe see some tests down here in the low 78s, high 77s. You could maybe start buying some dollar-oriented pairs on the long side. Maybe short the Aussie dollar. That again was looking a little tired to me yesterday. And here's the chart on the Aussie dollar on the 60-minute. You can see it rolled over finally after hitting a new high. Gold is also getting hammered today, which should help this pair, the Aussie dollar pair. And again, the Aussie dollar pair is populating here real quick. The charts are coming up slowly this morning, but it did roll over last night. I was looking at the charts earlier this morning, and here it is. You can see after a huge run, again going back to mid month, it ran all the way up to 89.47, and now it's pulled back 88.64 or so. So there may be an opportunity there. ES is trading at 15.58, gapping up a little bit this morning. The gold again is down here at 7.30 now, down 15 bucks, down 2%. The Chinese stocks are ripping pre-market. That's about it. That's ripping. Again, China's on a tear as Hong Kong had a big up day. So the Chinese stocks are following through. And here's the gold contagion. Again, traded down to 735, bouncing a little bit, but the 60-minute is revealing a little bit of weakness. But it may pull back and have some support here in the 730 area. So as long as 730 in the short term holds, it looks like it's still pretty bullish for the gold, the yellow metal, the yellow dog. That's about it. There's, again, no economic news, no real earnings this week. It's a very slow week anticipated. I guess the key thing I'll throw out there is that we did make new highs in the Dow, but that's 30 stocks. We still haven't done anything in the SPOOs. SPOOs, we did take out the highs, but in the cash we're not seeing new highs. In the Russell index, we're far from the highs, so you're not getting confirmation from the broader scope of stocks. And I guess until that happens, you can maybe bet a little bit that we're not near the we're still not. We haven't really blown out, but we're getting near, I guess, is the point. So I'm watching. I'm learning. The transportation index is there. Banking index had a good day yesterday, up 2%, but it's still lagging the rest of the market. It's still got a long way to go. So I don't think you can have a bull market without the financials. And again, you can see they got up to about one. Let me look at the daily chart here. This is just a 60-minute. 60-minute. The recent high was 112 or so, but I think before that we were as high as 120 or so. So we've got a long way to go to be bullish on the banks, and I still think there will be more bad news coming out in the banks over the next few months with all these arm resets coming. This subprime loan problem is just not going to go away overnight like this. I hate to tell you, but it's probably not anything you don't know. Transportation index had a good day yesterday, also up 1.5%, but that is also lagging, and that would be a concern to me, as that's a good depiction of products moving around the country. And you can see we've got to get way back up to 5,500 or so. So that is we're well below. We're a solid 10% below there. We're a solid 10% below on the banking index. So you can have a new high in the Dow 30 stocks. Big deal. It's 30 stocks. It's an easy index to move for the powers that be, and looks pretty. But in the end, it comes down to a broader scope for me with the Russell Index, RUT, again, and the S&P. So take a look at those, and you'll see that we still have a ways to go. to get new highs. Until they're done, until they're all breaking new highs, I'm in the neutral camp. Back later for more.